Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Mallory's Crafty Corner, and today we're going to be testing different products in liquid clay to see which ones will pigment it. If you can see here, liquid clay, and I'm going to be seeing if you can color it with a couple different ways, and I've made a quick cupcake. So let's get started. So I'm putting just a little bit on. And so first I'm going to be trying it with chalk. By the way, this is the translucent version. So here I have it, and I'm just going to be kind of taking it off by pieces. And then I'm going to start mixing it in. Here I have just a little bit of that, and I'm going to use a dotting tool and kind of mix it around for a while and see if I can get some color showing on it. So here it is. I've mixed it in a bit. It's a bit harder to get the other little pieces. So there it is. I think this worked, but as you can see, there's a few little chunks in it. So I'm going to try putting this on my cupcake, and then I'm going to pop it in the oven and see the results. Guys, so we're going to be testing this again, but this time with nail polish. And then, so let's get started. And this time, instead of putting it on a cupcake, I'm going to be putting it on just a scrap of clay, because we never know what's going to happen. So then I'm going to just get my nail polish and probably put a streak. There I have that, and then I'm going to start mixing it in with my dotting tool. So I think it worked pretty well, but I just want to, so next we're going to put it on and then bake it to see how it reacts. So here are all the finished products after they've been baked. The first one is nail polish, second chalk, and third clay. So the one with clay didn't exactly do very good, because it was more just like clay chunks throughout the whole thing and didn't spread the pigment like I wanted it to. And for the second one, if you can't see, it didn't spread the pigment either. It kind of did, but if you can see here, it's more just like chalk chunks, and it didn't do very well like I wanted it to. And then again, for the nail polish one, I didn't think it would bake through, but it actually did. And I think it looks pretty good, and the pigment spread through. So here are the final results. Nail polish did the best, because these brands weren't made to be in liquid clay. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Mallory's Crafty Corner. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any suggestions for the next video. Bye!